Hi! Recently I got a Moorebot Scout mobile security robot. In short, it is a camera on 4 wheels. From the previous videos, I have tried to remote control the robot even when I am miles away from home. And programmed it using a language called Scratch to do new things, such as writing letters. Now that I have explored monitoring and programming, in this video, I want to see how the patrol function works, and whether or not the bunny likes it. Since I have not programmed any patrol path before, the list is empty, and I can create a new one. The idea is that I drive the robot, it saves the path, so it can be repeated automatically later. The square overlay block will show the saved patrol path, as the robot moves. And I will assume it says speed is limited in this mode. Another thing that is limited, is ability to translate the robot left and right. Those 2 arrow buttons would otherwise be available outside of the patrol path creation mode. But here we go, let's create a patrol path. And yes, I can confirm left and right translation is not allowed. Without those, it is quite inconvenient in my case, because in order to move to a new location, I need to rotate the robot, and then the bunny goes out of view. Okay, I think I have moved through a few locations in order to have a complete view of what's inside the bunny's home. Let's drive Scout back to somewhere that it can see its charging dock. And click the Return to Home button. Now that the patrol path is saved, we can play it again and see if we get the same motion. A preview of the saved path is shown in the center. Scout must be at the dock to start patrol. Here Scout actually turned away from the bunny. It seems that only the position trajectory was saved, but not Scout's facing direction. So Scout managed to complete the patrol path without looking at the bunny even once. Wow! But that's not quite what I wanted. So, let's compare the path Scout took. On the left is how I programmed the patrol path, and on the right is what Scout has learned. The path was not the same, and the camera direction was totally not saved. The next try, I want to add some straight line motion and hopefully it enforces Scout to remember that camera direction there. Let's see if the result gets any better. Let's do the same comparison. On the left is what Scout was taught, and on the right is what Scout has remembered. Unfortunately, the strategy didn't work out. But I will still give Scout a pass, for trying hard at least. Now that we have patrol path that is somewhat working, we can schedule it to run automatically. By clicking on the schedule button, we can set the scheduled time, and days of the week. Select which path. By enabling this record locally option, Scout will save the video during its patrol. Finally, enable the schedule here. When the time comes, Scout will patrol the path, and add the videos to its local library. So, that is the patrol function. I will continue to search for ways to make it repeat motion more accurately, and take better videos. But that's it for now, and more playing to come. Thanks for watching.